YouTube, and today guys you are going to be watching me, and my name is Dutton Vlogs, and it's going to be the first sort of race of the season. Today I'm going to be racing at the Minibike Champs. It's going to be the it's going to be the Minibike Nationals. The Nationals is basically just a one-off meeting. It's basically just a practice round to get used to the bike and all of that and start riding again. And yeah guys, in today's vlog I'm going to be racing my Bucci F15. If you did watch, I think it was 2 vlogs ago now, I did actually get a brand new 140 engine in, because now I am actually going to be competing in the 140 race. And I cannot wait to be competing in that, because I'm against a lot of older people now. I'm a lot faster, so hopefully the competition is going to be quite good. And yeah, I cannot wait. Alex is going to be racing as well. I would show you his bike, but last night we went to this car auction with Billy Bucket, and I accidentally left the keys in his car. So he lives quite a bit away, so he's going to be dropping them off quite soon, hopefully. But yeah, Alex's bike is actually locked inside of the van. All the van's locked, so hopefully he can bring the keys around quick enough so he can load up and everything. But yeah, cannot wait for this vlog. And guys, remember to smash the like button for this vlog to be yours, and it means so much to me if you can do that. So yeah guys, let's get this vlog started. Before I go though, I need to make sure there is actually petrol inside of the generator, because then I don't need to fuel up with the race fuel in the generator, so we waste a bit more fuel. So I'm going to be using some of the old fuel and putting it inside of the generator. I can't actually open this, so I've tried really hard and it's just not opening, so that's a problem. So I can't actually undo that, so I'm going to load up everything else, and load up the mats, put them inside the van, and yeah. But I'm going to be putting the white table in because it's one of the biggest objects to put inside the camper, because I am taking the bikes in the van as well, so the camper isn't as loaded up as it normally is, and it's not very big lights. And it's not a big squeeze in.
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
Is now here, luckily. Haha. Oh, I'm so happy we've got the van keys back now. All I can say is what a struggle that was. At least Alex's bike's all loaded up, so we don't need to do that.
Put the place up. Put my face up.
So the bikes are all loaded up now inside the van. Not too sure what else we need to put inside the van, but at the moment, for how it's looking, the van is loaded up. I think the camper's all done now, so I think let's just need to put the ramps in for the camper and put the generator in, then we're okay. So as you just saw just then, I've just come back in first game. Man's got a solo win. Boomer.
Booyaka shower.
But yeah, now I'm just going to have a shower, and then hopefully we're going to head off. So yeah. So now I'm all washed and dressed now. Just need to clean out the cab in the van. Then we'll be heading off in about, I'm going to say about 10-20 minutes hopefully. And yeah, it's very dirty inside of here. Just need to get out all the rubbish. Put this in the camera bag. Put these in. Oh. got the 7 coat. Oh, why is it so blurry? Oh, no, it's not. I actually nearly forgot the ramps for the camper. That would have been very, very bad if I hadn't forgotten them. Where are they? Here they are. I'll just put them in the back of the van, these ones. Ow. How are we going to do this then? Right, so the camper's all loaded, and I've finally unlocked this, and it's already full, so at least that's all full now. First thing, before we get properly on the road, we need to obviously head to a petrol station, then we'll be on a proper journey there, so yeah. So, just heading off now, dogs all inside, and let's get the journey beginning, woohoo! I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Racing. Cool. Right guys, so we have just arrived now at the Minibike Champs, and they've completely changed the layout here. It looks amazing from at the moment. Got a big sweeping berm here. But yeah, but obviously I have to see Oakley first. Hi James. What is it now?
Saturday.
Hi guys, so it's now the morning. It's been raining so much last night. It's rained so much. It's actually the track. We've walked around the track a bit this morning. The track isn't looking too bad. Well, I would say the west is over the weeds, but yeah, I'm just heading over to the signing on. I'm about to get it signed on. Ha 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 ha. Hi. What bike are you riding today, James? So yeah, just got the bikes all unloaded, my bike's out, and yeah, James is riding the Kawasaki KLX 110. I'm obviously riding the 140 Bucci, and Alex is still in the 125. New self grip from the bike, and myself built honey grips. So yeah, I've never ridden with honey grips before, but yeah, they feel quite comfortable. And James got a set, so yeah. Need to get my kit out. And wear my 7 kit. So I am now all kitted up now in all my 7 kit, guys. But guys, if you do want to set a 7 kit, make sure you go to 7MX UK to get yourself some awesome kit. And make sure you visit your local 7 dealer to make sure and get yourself some awesome 7 kit. And guys, always remember to check out RFX, guys, because they've got hundreds of stuff on their website if you do want any. If you do just listen outside now, it is raining. Listen. Yeah, it's not too good of a thing, so just putting on my 7 jacket. So guys, so the basic run up for today is we're going to be having one qualifier, will be practice as well, where whoever gets the fastest lap times in will get the best gate pick. Then we'll have 2 races, so yeah. Is this your bike? Yeah. That's very nice, isn't it? I'm spinning outside, I'm spinning outside, I'm spinning outside, I'm spinning outside, very rainy and very muddy out on the track, and my bike's to wash. But got to use myself some Dutton mud slider, so my all the mud doesn't stick to my bike. So yeah, let's do some of this.
You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving.
Right guys, I'm just about to head out now for my first qualifying session. So yeah, actually I'm really happy with what I did. I went out there and I did want to get top 5, and I did end up getting top 5, so I'm really happy with that. But I didn't actually go out with the last one because I didn't actually know the 140s were riding, and I accidentally, yeah, I forgot they were out there, so I had to get right at the back of the gate. And I went out there, did what I wanted to do, got top 5, but there was so many people in the front, so I thought I could maybe try to gain 2 seconds, would put me 3rd. So yeah, it's about to start raining, isn't it? But yeah. Me and James are just going to head up because apparently they might be putting the 110 to the 140, so we're just going to go up and ask. Right, so we just went to ask Jamie, and yeah, the bikes they'll be put together because there's actually not enough riders together. So me and James are in the same race, and yeah.
And I'm going to break his ankle. Yeah. Cankle.
Right guys, so we're now actually going to head out now for our first race. Me and James are. So yeah, I'm going to stick the GoPro onto the helmet, and yeah. Because of the music, but yeah, in that race, yeah, James ended up beating me. Basically, it was a really good race, but coming like towards sort of the end, I went over the bars and crashed on the whip, so that wasn't too good. So yeah, just about to head out now for my next race. But yeah, my arm is really hurting. Both my collarbones, it really hurts, but both my collarbones are actually really hurting. So yeah, that's not too good. We're heading out to the next race. Me and James, we're both in the same group again. So yeah, can't wait, and let's go. out now from that race. I think I got about 5th. I felt a lot better in that race. Didn't get too good at the start, but towards the end, I felt like I was running a bit better. And yeah, really happy with that. Oh, hello.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now?
Where are we going?
An adventure.
Right, we're off to McDonald's then.
God.
It's gone bust. Yay! Oh, yay! I think we could stop and get a new KLX 110 in there.
12.
Yay! Can I have a medium milkshake, please? Strawberry? My chicken legend wasn't a meal.
It was.
No, it wasn't. Mega. Also got myself a chicken legend. Huh. What did you get, James?
I'm not allowed to be in your vlog anymore.
Why? And Price, I've got your milkshake. I even want a McFlurry, so I'm having this. No, I mean a milkshake. That's a very long straw. I think we've left this van quite tidy. Oh, James!
I'm gonna bump it.
Get back! Right guys, so we are now walking the track. I forgot to end last night's vlog, so yeah, basically just picking up now in the morning, walking the track with Karen and Price. And you're basically looking through. We had no rain last night, so that's all good. And yeah, just need to get my boots on. So we've actually just realised something's actually broken on my engine. It's a bash plate that holds the actual engine in, so that's not too good. It's literally just snapped off. We don't know what to do really. We might just carry on. I'm gonna carry on riding it, but yeah, hopefully it's okay. Right guys, so I'm just about to head out now for my 2-lap practice. I won't be filming this because there's only about 2 laps I think. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm back in. Hello. So guys, I am gonna film this now. So I am gonna film practice, so yeah. I did end up getting 4th, I was really happy with. Did what I wanted to do and get in the top 5, so yeah, I'm happy with that.
I actually got that. And then on the second.
Yeah, that's when it's boring.
Are you looking?
I think you should.
Right, so Alex is just about to head out now for his first race, but because Alex is out when Alex goes out, I'm straight after him, so I'm going to go and get Fred to film him, so yeah. It's so cold. I think I just got 4th, so I came out and I did want to get in the top 5, and I did do that, so I'm very happy with that. Just about to head over and see what times I got, but yeah, apart from that, I'm very happy.
on camera.
Cleaning for lens. Hi, Jameson. You got it really close up, haven't you? Okay.
Yo, can't wait to see you, can't wait to kiss your bum.
So I'm just getting all my stuff now, getting ready to head out for my what is it? For my second race. I think there's 3 today. So yeah, just got my GoPro on my helmet for this race. And yeah, I'm hoping to try to get another 4th again. And yeah, then I'll be very happy. I think I'm a bit early, to be honest. So yeah, it's a bit weird because I'm watching the race I used to be in, and yeah, that's a bit weird. So after that race, I think I got 5th in that, but that was a really good race. I'm just very tired after that. Guys, Senna, why are you laughing? And guys, what is actually going on in here?
Right guys, so I wrapped up in that race.
Hey guys, Senna's coming up in like a couple of days, so we'll make a lot of vlogs with you, won't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, just having a quick drink now before I head out. Hopefully I can get 4th again. But yeah, if I can, 5th will be alright, but yeah, hopefully I can get 4th. But the track is getting quite churned up now, but it looks really good out there, so quite excited to go out. guys, so it's now the end of the race. I've literally just got changed, tied everything up, but I'm so happy with that. And the race was so good. But I did pass him on the last lap, but he did get me back, Lee Mitchell. But luckily he was not in my group. But there's a picture of him getting me on the last corner. And guys, I did get 4th overall today. James got 2nd and Alex got 3rd, so we're all really happy with those positions.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Woo!
4th place goes to Harrison Jepson. 3rd place is Alex Dutton.
That's so mega.
Harry Street Boy Streeter. For the 2018 Minibike Nationals, it's Ewan, the Ginger Ninja Goddard.
That's so mega.
Taking the overall in the one.
I see you next week, sweetheart. Guys, who likes our van? We're sort of decorated it, haven't we? So yeah, we're just heading off back home now. I'm with James, and yeah, just heading back home. But we've had a mega weekend riding, and the track was so good. I got really good through the weeks, I think, towards the end. So yeah, very happy. Right guys, so I am back home now. It's now the current day. It's the next day. I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. I am so happy I am back racing again at the Minibike Champs. This vlog isn't actually a mini bike season. It's just like the beginning, just a little fun meeting they do every single year. It's called the Minibike Nationals. But yeah, while we're on the subject of nationals, guys, I'll carry on talking about the Minibike Champs just in a bit. But guys, because the MX Nationals, the Motocross British Championship Nationals, is about to start for Motocross, I am doing a t-shirt giveaway. So guys, stay tuned for that. Make sure you head over to my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Snapchat to keep up with all of the things, and I'll be telling you what you need to do to get a shirt. Guys, back onto the subject of mini bikes. The next mini bike race I think will be in 4 weeks' time, so I'm really excited for that. It'll be at the Mildenhall track. Motoland I think it's called, but yeah, really excited for that. And as per usual, the Minibike Champs was a pleasure to ride. It was so much fun. Jamie and all the crew put on another awesome mini bike race. I love the track, it was so much fun. But yeah, hope you really guys enjoyed this vlog. We're back racing again, and I'd like to say to all you guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart, because last vlog went down and you smashed all. So yeah, remember guys, keep ripping, keep riding, and like, share, subscribe. So yeah.